Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at how to set the clock on the Cuisinart grind and brew. I could have sworn I already did this video, but apparently it was for another coffee maker. Anyway, so real quick, let's say that this clock was wrong. I want to go ahead and hit the hour button, hold it, and then just toggle through. And then you can set the hour this way. I'll put it back to 4:10. There we go. And then if we wanted to do minutes, same thing on the minutes. Hold the minutes. And then I can go ahead and scroll through. And I'll just put it back at 4:10 or 4:11. And there we go. Once you're done, you could just let it go. I have another video coming up on how to program the Cuisinart grind and brew. All right, if you have any questions, post it on down below. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and hit that bell button.